Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set a channel description in the Zello app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube review statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Zello app. And here it opens up in the contacts list. From here we just go into channels, then tap on a channel, then tap on the channel icon, and then in the top right corner on the pencil icon. Now we tap on more, and here at the top we have channel description. Here we can type in or paste in the channel description that we want to have, and we can talk about what's going on in this channel. For example, if it's a work channel, we can explain some stuff about this. But yeah, this is where you set the channel description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.